Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things life, food, family, and fun. Today we're talking a fun thing, because it's summer, and summer is fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of all future videos which I post every Tuesday and Thursday. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today's video is all about a swimsuit hack, and it's how you can extend the life of your swimsuit and not have it eaten alive so fast by chlorine and salt water.
Eat my shorts.
So if you're interested in finding out how this simple hack works, stay tuned and let's do this. This hack is super easy. All you're gonna need is a bucket of water and some fabric softener and your swimsuit. So what you're gonna do is fill a bucket full of water, add about a half a cup of fabric softener to the water, and then just put your swimsuit in there and leave it for 15 minutes. After that, you'll pull it out, throw it in the wash on the gentle cycle or hand wash it, and hang it out to dry. Make sure you do not put your swimsuits into the dryer. It will destroy them. Okay, that's it. Super easy hack, and it totally works. It extends the life of your swimsuits. And let's face it, those things are expensive. We need to make them last as long as we possibly can. So I hope this helps you and inspires you to get outside and enjoy some summer fun with your friends and family. And until the next video, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next video. See ya, ladies.